You will love the features of this 2019 Toyota Highlander. With less than 15,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Here's a sleek and sporty Toyota Highlander your family will love. From its safety and driver assistance tech to its multiple climate control zones and infotainment system, this smooth-riding, quiet, roomy three-row crossover offers the capability and creature comforts to help you make the most of every road trip. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: navigation system, third row seat, keyless entry, heated driver's seat, lane keeping assist, keyless start, iPod, MP3 input, heated mirrors, fog lamps, power liftgate. Feel the confidence that comes standard with this safe and solid Highlander. It's waiting for you, and our professional team is eager to give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.